Spring is here, and with that comes the official start to our selling season. While we can never exactly predict where things are going, the one thing that we do know for sure is that this is the time of year for sellers to make their move and go on the market for sale. That also means that there's increased competition for buyers. And we start to see the multiple offer scenarios. Interest rates are expected to remain volatile for the foreseeable future. At the end of February, we had 1,953 new listings hit the market. So while we still have limited inventory, things are definitely starting to move in the right direction. We had 863 pending contracts, so that shows us that homes are still moving relatively quickly. Our average days on market in the greater Greenville area is around 62 days. So that's ticking up just a little bit. The average sales price was $400,807, and the average listing price was $441,072. So the data tells us two things. Competition is strong, this remains a healthy market, and it is crucial to act fast and be decisive. That's whether you're a buyer or a seller. If you're curious about the market, if you're thinking about making a move, please reach out. You can call me, you can text me. Please subscribe and check out some of my other videos.